Hey guys, Andy here with Expert Renovation. So on our 3-tab roof, lunchtime break, here's what we're looking like. Most of the way down the back face, front face prepped out. These are CertainTeed XT25s, Moray black. Really try to stay away from 3-tab shingles. Homeowner's going to be selling the property and just needed a roof that was functional and would not leak. And this is a good 25-year roof. Got a new vent stack for the heating and air. Valley liner in place. Leak barrier around all our pipes. It's really cheap insurance. And that's it. Keep you posted with the finished product. We can help you out with your roofing jobs. Please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.